This is the real Tom Rose, and interesting setup here. So this is AC equals BC equals CD. So they're giving, this is already marked, but they're saying these sides are all the same length. And it says CAD is the same as CBD. That's also marked. It's showing you that the angle measures are the same for these two angles down here. Now we know these angles are the same because they tell us that these two sides are the same. So which means this whole big triangle is an isosceles triangle. We know that because of the 15 and the 15. And we know this underling triangle down here. We know that's an isosceles triangle. So everything's very symmetrical here in this problem. So they want to know what theta is. Well, we can use this one rule that the sum of angles in a triangle equals 180. We're going to use that over and over and over again. So first of all, if this is 15, then we know, oh, I didn't mark this before, but this is also 15 because these two sides have the same length and these two have the same length. So we know this is 15 and this is 15. So on this first triangle here, the upper right one, we can figure out this measure right here. That's because 15 plus 15 plus, let's call it x, plus x equals 180. So x must be 150. Also, we know that this angle all the way up here, it must be 30 because it's 15 plus 15. If that's 30 and the whole big triangle is isosceles, right? Then I can calculate. Starting to run out of. That's too confusing. Let me switch colors. If the whole big triangle is isosceles, then I can calculate the measure of these corner angles because I know that the top is 30. So let's call those corner angles y. So 30 plus y equals 180. So 2y equals 150. And y, therefore, equals 75. Now, the angle that we care about is theta. We're getting closer to it. We can calculate, say, this one down here. Let's call that z. That angle is y minus 15, right? We have the whole y, and we have this little 15. So if z equals y minus 15, and y is 75, z equals 75 minus 15, which equals 60. And of course, z plus theta, again, we're going to do the bottom triangle now, equals 180. So 60 plus theta equals 180. So theta, turns out, this whole thing, the whole time, was an equilateral triangle. Surprise, surprise.